Welcome, this is my office building. So to find my office, you'll head in through the gates, then back through this atrium to the stairs, and you'll head up to the the second floor. And at the top of the stairs, you'll take a left and head down this hallway. And my office will be the first one that you come to. So you'll head in. Here's the waiting room. Variety of different spaces to sit and get comfy while you wait. And then there are two offices down here. Mine is at the very first one at the end of the hall that you'll see. I'll come get you from here. And then this is my office. Welcome to my space. So as we look around, you will notice one of the most important things, and that is Sadie, my therapy dog in training and junior therapist, sitting in my chair. Window, my books, my coffee station. You're always welcome for coffee, tea, water, whatever it is that you need to get you comfortable. And this is where you'll be sitting to join me.